warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Rahel Ikananda Putriwarso dengan NIM 44231623.
Saya Tifa Samaria dengan NIM 44231483.
Kami di sini ingin membuat dialog untuk UAS. Hai Tifasa, can I ask you something kind of random?
Sure, Rachel. What's on your mind?
So, I was thinking about household chores the other day. You know, like laundry, cooking, washing dishes, babysitting, the usual stuff, the happiness at home. What do you think about men doing two tasks? Is it okay if men take on the responsibilities?
Interesting question. Honestly, I think it's more than okay. I actually believe men should do this tax. Why do you ask?
Well, I noticed that some people still think household chores are primarily a woman's job. It's like an expectation that women handle all the cooking and cleaning while men focus on other things. But that doesn't seem fair to me. What's your take on this traditional mindset?
I completely agree with you. That traditional division of labor at home is kind of outdated. Men and women are actually competitive on doing chores. Sharing responsibility at home show respect and partnership. Plus, nowadays both partners often work outside, so it's unrealistic to expect one person to do all the homework.
Exactly. When both partners have jobs or busy life, it only makes sense to split the household duties. I've seen couples where the man cooks dinner every day or takes care of the kids, and it's seems like their relationship is more balanced.
Yes, and it also good for the kids to see both parents involved in household tasks. It teaches them quality and breaks gender stereotypes early on.
Right. I think that's important. I remember when I was a kid, my dad rarely helped with chores, and it kind of sent the message the chores were mom's work. But my friend whose dads were more involved in the home had a different perspective.
Same here. My dad always helped my mom around the house, and it made their relationship feel like a team effort. Also, it showed me that perfectly normal for men to cook or clean.
So, do you think society is slowly changing its views on this?
I believe so. More and more people are challenging all gender roles with social media and awareness campaign. The idea that men don't do work home. It's being questioned, but there are still culture and general gaps.
Yeah, I guess in some place our families or beliefs are strong. Like some men might feel the masculinity is certain if they do. Women's work, which is silly.
Totally, that mindset need to change. Doing laundry or cooking doesn't make someone less of a man. It's just part of daily life. Real strength is about responsibility and care, not doing chilling and outdated stereotype.
Well said. I also think men doing chores can strengthen the relationship when both parents share the workload, there's less stress and more appreciation.
For sure. And it's a chance to learn new skill too. Cooking it's fun once you get input it. Plus it can buy way to go.
True. I remember once my friend's husband made a surprise dinner for her and she was so touched. It was a simple thing but it showed he cared.
See, that's beautiful. Also, men doing chores show there are active participants in the family, not just provider.
Speaking of which, do you think the idea the man's main goal is the earn money is still dominant?
I mean, culture, yes. Men are still often seen as breadwinners, while men are caretakers. But with economic change and women increase participation in workplace, their role are shifting.
I agree. It's important for men to be involved in aspect of family life, not just financial, emotion support, child care, household tasks. They all matter.
Absolutely, and I think the younger generation is more open to their change.
That's helpful. I wonder what about the social pressure on men? Like do they face ridicule for doing chores?
Sometimes, yes. Unfortunately, some men might the treason or judging by fear of doing woman work. But there's more about insecurity and ignorance than reality.
That's sad. I think it takes courage to break those norms.
It does, but with more men speaking openly about sharing chores, the pressure will direct or model help a lot.
Definitely, I also read studies that say when men do more housework, their parents report higher relationships, satisfaction.
That makes sense. When chores and share it resent and force teamwork.
But it's fine. Nobody should carry the entire burden of maintaining a household.
Actually, also in families with children, that taking part with chores and child care help children develop better emotional and social.
Right. It's model healthy relationship for the kids.
And for the men, doing chores can encourage empathy and understanding to their partner effort.
That's a good point. Sometimes men don't realize how much work goes into running a home until they do it themselves.
And that can lead to more appreciate and less conflict.
Do you think cars should be divided equally or based on preference?
I think it depends on the couple. Ideally, sharing care should be fair, but it doesn't always mean a 50-50 split. More people might like cooking, other might prefer cleaning. The key is communication and cooperation.
I agree. Flexibility is important.
Also, men doing chores shouldn't be seen and doing for their responsibility too.
Yes, sometimes it's like men get praised for just doing their part, but it should be a normal expression.
Actually, is part being our partner and family member.
So, what about babysitting or childcare? Do you think men are as capable?
Absolutely, men can be amazing caregiver. It takes love and participant and not gender.
True. Some of my friends have dads who are hands-on with their kids and the kids adore them.
That's wonderful, and that's important in the child care, help create stronger family bonds.
Do you think there's still stigma around taking paternity leave?
Yes, sadly, in my place, men who take paternity leave are seen as less communication to work and they're scared. But the attitude is changing slowly.
Hopefully, more companies support men taking time off for family.
That would be great. It encourages actually at home and at work.
What about cooking? Do you know many men who cook regularly?
Yes, and I think cooking has become quite popular among men. Some see it a hobby and even a way to impress.
Haha, yeah. I know some guys who love experimenting with recipes.
Cooking can also be relaxing and creative. It's not just in core,
Exactly. Same with gardening or cleaning. These tasks don't have to be boring or gendering.
right? When the people share comrades, it reduces stress and builds connection.
Do you have any stories about men doing chores that surprise you?
Yes, my uncle always cooking for the family when we visit. He is known for his amazing this dessert and everyone love it.
That's so cool. It breaks the stereotype the cooking is only for women.
Yes, and it's inspiring to see men incorporate their roles.
Well, what would you say to someone who still thinks men should do housework?
It's say look around. Life is changing, doing chores like about respect, partnership, and love. It's not about gender roles, but working together is both partnership, the work, learn, everyone happier.
Could agree more. Also, course teach responsibility and empathy.
Definitely, and men who can just see good explain for their children and community.
So, overall, your opinion is the man doing housework. It's not just okay, but necessary.
Absolutely, it's necessary for equality, respect, and healthy relationship. A man doing chores about should be the wrong, not the expression.
I'm glad we had this talk. Sometimes I wonder why this topic still feels sensitive for some people.
I know it's a reflection of the broad culture different, but discussion like this help shift perfection.
I hope more people embrace sharing cars equally.
Me too. It's benefit everyone.
Thanks for your insight, Tivasa.
Anytime, Rachel. Let's keep promotion need faring at home.
Sekian, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.